This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to add Grammarly to Microsoft Word. Whether you're a student, a professional, or anyone who frequently writes, integrating Grammarly into Word can help you enhance your writing with ease. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to grammarly.com/desktop. This is where you'll find the download option for Grammarly's desktop application. Click on the download button that corresponds to your operating system, be it Windows or Mac. Once you've downloaded the installer file, go ahead and run it to install the application on your computer. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up and launch the app. Don't worry, the process is straightforward and you'll be up and running in no time. With Grammarly installed on your desktop, it's time to open Microsoft Word. You can do this by opening any new or existing document in Word. Once your document is open, take a look at the right edge of your document window. You should see a small, floating Grammarly widget. It appears as a green or red circular icon, depending on your document's status. This widget will automatically appear on your screen, indicating that Grammarly is ready to assist you. Now, let's explore how you can use Grammarly inside Word. One of the great advantages of the Grammarly desktop app is that it scans your writing directly inside your Word document. You won't need to copy and paste your text into a separate application. Grammarly works seamlessly in the background. As you type, Grammarly will underline any errors it detects, helping you improve your writing on the fly. When you notice an underlined word or phrase, you can click on it to see Grammarly's suggestion for improvement. Alternatively, you can click on the floating Grammarly widget to open a comprehensive list view of corrections. This feature is particularly useful if you want to review all suggestions at once. Once you see a suggestion you like, accepting edits is a breeze. Simply click on the green suggested replacement text on the pop-up card, and Grammarly will instantly make the change inside your Word document. This one-click edit feature saves you time and ensures your document is polished and error-free. But that's not all Grammarly offers. It also includes a powerful generative AI feature. To use it, click the Grammarly icon at the bottom right of your screen. You'll see a command bar where you can type a prompt. For example, you might ask Grammarly to make this paragraph sound more professional or summarize these notes. The AI will generate text based on your prompt, providing you with creative and efficient ways to enhance your writing. And there you have it. You've successfully added Grammarly to Microsoft Word and learned how to use its features to improve your writing. With real-time suggestions and AI-powered enhancements, you can write with confidence, knowing that Grammarly has your back. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.